Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to plug in your DJI Mic free to your Android device. For the best performance and ease while plugging in your DJI microphones, I do recommend taking off the case. So at first let me take off my case from my device and let me place it over here. Now here you have to push this button over here to open the case. Here, as you can see, we do have our transmitter. It's over here, and we can turn on this transmitter using the power button by holding the power button, which is over here. Now, once our device is powered on, we can easily take this USB Type-C connector over here. And now here, as you can see, we do have something like this. It's hard to, take it off, but once you do it, we can easily place this USB Type-C connector in here. So at first you need to somehow take this cover off here. You need to pull this to yourself like here. And it's difficult to do. Wait a moment, I need to do this. And now I somehow did it. And now you need to here take this USB Type-C, and now you need to just move it, just like slide it towards here, these pins. Now once done, plug your USB Type-C to your device, maybe not this way, so that we can see that something so this way. And now once you see this, you see that here we are connected, and now we are all done. Here tap OK. This is our application, but to know how to add this device to your application, check our channel because we do have our video for that. And now that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.